Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss about inspection during severe weather. It is a procedure for detecting damages and effects in cargo spaces, hot covers, and ballast tanks. So, basically, inspection of cargo spaces, hot cover, and ballast tanks are essential during severe weather conditions. Heavy seas and strong forces can cause structural damage, corrosion, and water ingress. Regular and careful inspections help detect defects early, maintain watertight integrity, and ensure vessels' safety and seaworthiness.
Purpose of inspections: ensure structural integrity, confirm the ship's structure is safe and sound. Next is prevent cargo damage, protect cargo from loss or deterioration, maintain vessel safety, reduce risk to crew and ship. Last is detect defects early, identify and fix problems before they worsen. General safety precautions: first, wear appropriate PPE. Protect yourself with helmets, gloves, and safety gear. Next, secure access ladders. Ensure ladders are stable before use. Next is ensure indicate lighting. Maintain clear visibility during inspection. Next is avoid inspection in unsafe conditions. Do not inspect during extreme vessels motions.
Cargo space inspection. Check coating condition. Ensure protective coating are not damaged or worn. Inspect bulkheads for cracks. Identify structural damage or stress fractures. Monitor cargo shifting. Ensure cargo remains stable and properly secured. Listen for unusual sound. Detect hidden structural issues or lost components.
Hatch covers inspection. Check rubber gaskets for wear. Ensure seals are intact to prevent water entry. Inspect clean it with. Confirm securing devices are tight and functional. Look for corrosion or deformation. Identify damage affecting strength in sealing. Ensure watertight sealing. Verify hatch covers are properly closed and secured. Ballast tanks inspection. Inspect for corrosion and cracks. Check structural condition of tank surface. Check watting conditioning. Ensures protective coating are not changed or worn. Monitor water levels. Confirm proper ballast operation and stability. Look for leakage. Detect any water escaping from tanks.
Common defects in severe weather. Structural cracks caused by excessive stress and vessel movement. Corrosion accelerated by weather exposure and damaged coatings. Lost fittings result from continuous vibration and heavy motion. Water leakage occurs due to failed seals or structural damage. Deformation, bending or distortion from heavy loads and wave impact.
We have inspection methods. It has four major parts. One is visual inspection. It checks for visible damage, cracks, or corrosion. The next one is sounding and pressure checks. It detects leaks or structural weakness. The third one is use of monitoring equipment. Uses sensors and tools for accurate detection. And the last one is routine patrols. It regularly monitors spaces during severe weather. And the second one is reporting and action. It has also four major parts. The first one is record findings immediately. It documents defects as soon as they found. The second one is report to officer in charge. It informs responsible personnel without delay. The third one is take corrective action. It addresses minor issues to prevent escalation. The last one is schedule repairs. It plan maintenance for identified defects.
So, therefore, regular inspection of cargo spaces, hatch covers, and ballast tanks are essential during severe weather. Early detection of defects helps prevent damage, protect cargo, and ensures vessel safety. Consistent inspection and timely action are key to maintaining seaworthiness. And I think that would be all, sir. Thank you.